Consistency is what transforms average into excellence. So, good morning, friends. Today's topic for our discussion is consistency is the key to success. So, in our small age, we have all heard an old saying that goes by this like this: करत करत अभ्यास ते जड़मत होय सुजान, रसरी आवत जात ते सिल पर परत निशान. What it means is that karat abhyas te means by regularly practicing something. Jadmat hoy sujan means when we regularly practice something, it is stored in our brain. It goes fixed in our brain. करत करत अभ्यास ते जड़मत होय सुजान रसरी आवत जाते सिल पर परत निशान. It means by the regular consistent movement of the rope on the stones, there is a signature of the rope on the stones. So we see that how important it is consistency is that if by the regular movement of the ropes there is the signature mark on the stones. So let's take up another example for understanding consistency. We see that if anyone wants to have a healthy body or he goes to gym, he has ambition of becoming a bodybuilder. So the trainer in the gym asks the person to be regular, to be consistent, because without consistency, he can't guarantee you that you will having a good body. So consistency is very important. Now, let's take up another example. We all have seen a woodpecker. What she does is she consistently hit on the tree trunk, and by her consistent hitting the trunk, you know, she makes a home for herself and her small kids. So we see that consistency is very important. Now, let's take up another example. We have seen the birds flying. While flying, what they do, they consistently flap their wings, and what it does is in turn that they are able to move forward. So we see that consistency is very important in every part of our life. Now let's take up another example. We all know that Earth has rotation and revolution consistently. So assume one day that Earth stops rotating or revolution is stopped of Earth. What will happen? We will all die. So we see that this consistency is a small word, but it plays a very important role in every aspect of our life. So now that we have known that consistency is very important, now how to follow, how to make up it in our regular life. So first thing that we need to do is we have to make a commitment of anything. For example, if we want to do something, we want to do something consistently, what we have to do is we have to make a commitment that okay, from now on I'll do this, from now on I'll do that. Without commitment you can't have consistency. So please have a commitment of yourself. Now second point is have a purpose. You know, some people fail in life because they don't have a purpose in life. They just say that okay, let me follow this, let me follow that, and they follow, and like the sheeps, they follow some people like there and some people like there. So you should have a purpose. For example, there's a very small example, but it will help you understand this topic better. Many people want to wake up early in the morning, but after few days they are not able to do so. Why? Because they don't have a purpose. If you ask them, okay, I'll give you solution to wake up early in the morning, but what's the purpose of you waking up in the morning? So they will be like, oh no. So they don't have a purpose. So if you don't have the purpose, then what you will be consistent for? So first, so you should have a purpose of your own. Now, after that, you should follow a very important aspect that is known as focus. Follow one course until success. So, follow one course till you don't get success in that. Be consistent, be patient, and follow it until you are successful in that. Now, after that, be patient, do self introspection every day. Self introspection is very important if you want to be consistent. You should know that where are you at fault, and what things are not are making you away from the consistency. So you should do self introspection every day. Now after that, what you should do is you should have a self belief on yourself. Self belief is very important to be consistent. Don't let self doubt creep in. Self doubt kills your consistency. Now, the last point is, some people have a habit that they say that, for example, in studies, that some students say that I don't like studying. So start something even if you don't like. Start in small content. For example, if you don't like reading books, start reading books for 5 minutes only. Then gradually you will consistency will increase your consistency, and you can have more minutes for reading. So these are the very important steps that you can take up for increasing your consistency. So before ending, I would like to quote a verse which Aristotle said that we are what we do consistently. So I hope I would you like this video. Thank you.